Alright, so I got a call about these honeybees coming in and out of this corner right here. Today they're quite busy. Let me zoom out. You can see all of them flying around. I believe that right there. This side. The garage. Followed around. And this little out spot is the garage. So I'm going to go in the garage and try to start the removal. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. Cut out a little 3x3 square. Bees seem to be coming right around the top plate of this wall. Cut in. The comb is attached to the drywall on both sides. So removal is tricky. That white stuff are larvae. Over and out. I know it's likely hard to see, but right in here is the queen. I just caught her from a cutout, and I'm installing them into an observation hive. Just working on trying to get the bees moving here. You see I moved some frames of the brood over, some bees. Now I just need to figure out how to release the queen. Here you can see they're fanning. Pardon me. The bees seem to be taken to this area fairly quickly. A little festooning. Here you go. So this is day one. I've installed the cutout into my window. I'm sure this window will get blurry and mucked up in time. This hole up here is a 2-inch exit, and there's a 1-inch exit down in this corner. I've temporarily blocked that exit for the bees to get established. I know there's a lot of random space in there that the bees are going to clog up with comb and such. I'm not too worried about that.